On today's show, I'm gonna be showing y'all how to put 28s on a 87 Landau box Chevy Caprice with a bullshit lift. I'm gonna show y'all how to put 28s on this here box Chevy Caprice right here, 87 Landau. If you ever see this on the car, it's bullshit. First thing first, what you wanna do, get you a jack. That shit up, get you a flathead, remove the hubcap, just like that. Now we got the wheel off. Now we're exposed to the bullshit lift. That's a knuckle, and that's a spring adjuster, whatever you want to call it. I be wanting to understand how y'all feel buying $5,000 plus wheels and have factory suspension and with factory brakes. I want that back squatted down just like that. But that's how you make 28s fit on the box Chevy though. Ocular side view. Good God. You gotta see the vision at all times. Sometimes it's okay to lose sight, but you gotta remain and have the vision in mind. You may lose sight, but you can't lose sight of the vision. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all. This is how you make 28s fit on a box Chevy. This right here is just for motivational purposes only. This is just a mock-up of just test fitting. Just literally test fitting to see how everything gonna look. Just get a clear view of how it sit up, how it look in the front. Oh my God. Shit look like a goddamn toy coming down the goddamn street. Now I got the jack still up some because I don't want to let it all the way down, and it's already on the fender when it come down. And this is with factory suspension, straight from the factory. This is all original brakes, all original suspension. This ain't no QA1 shit. This just test fitting, just to see what we looking at and looking like. Good gracious. So I'm just showing y'all. This right here, like I say, it's motivational purposes only. Good gracious. Just look what we're looking at. Look how I sit up. 28s on a two-door box Chevy Landau 87 with a bullshit lift. Just test fitting, just seeing how everything look. Like we got an inch of clearance right here, and this just with factory suspension. All factory. Let me get down there and show y'all. If you know, you know. When you see the shit, you will know. You see the bullshit, you see it. Factory brakes. Got the knuckle back there. Just showing you how 28s look on the box Chevy with a bullshit lift. Man, that shit looks so good sitting up there. Just wait till the right components. Just wait till the right components get on there. Oh my God. Look at this shit. Good God. With that back squatted down on them 28 by 12.
Hi. We're currently being recorded.
That back being squatted, good God. Shit gonna be ridiculous. Get the progress of everything.
Hi, you are currently being recorded.
So if you can see the vision with just what this is right here, with the factory original everything on it, just wait till the right components get on it that I really want. So it's gonna be all QA1. If not, you and my but all QA1 shit. That's what I'm really going for, because that's the shit I have for the truck. So all QA1 shit, coilovers, upper control arms. We're gonna do the big brake system, and I'm gonna do that shit how I want to do it. You know what I'm saying? I want to run them ZL1 brake setup. So we're gonna do that. 6 piston in the front, 4 piston in the back. You know what I'm saying? I want to do either 8.5 rear end or 9-inch forward, whichever one. Coilovers in the back. Get everything braced up under there with the rear end. You know what I'm saying? Oh man, but everything a stepping stone. You know what I'm saying? It's levels to it. You know what I'm saying? So y'all follow me along on this build so y'all can see everything that's going down and taking place. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. You know what I'm saying? Hit the bell notification so anytime I drop these banger videos, it pop up and you can see it. Cause hey, listen, I'm gonna keep y'all updated at all times. I'm gonna drop them. But look at this motherfucker here, boy. Yeah, I do a lot of cussing. It might not be the channel for you, but yeah, good God almighty. Woo-wee. Let you see the insides of that thing. Like I say, it's a project. We got some work to do. But everything there, everything good for all original. Yeah. But door slam easy. But yeah, this how you make 28s fit on a box Chevy with a bullshit lift. That's what this segment is called. 28s on a box Chevy with a bullshit lift. And stock suspension. Good God. You know what I'm saying? So these 28s got a 275, 25, 28 on there. Now, this car is all factory, all original, no cut, no nothing. We still got a little room in the front. You know what I'm saying? I ain't let the car down yet, but I'm just showing y'all in test fitting to see how everything gonna look. But this is how 28s on a box Chevy gonna look with a bullshit lift. Or if you got a bullshit lift. Let me show you. And what I mean by bullshit, you got the adjustable things for the springs, and then you got a knuckle over there. Like I say, to each his own. If you want to ride like that and have $5,000 plus wheels on your car with factory suspension and factory brakes and a lift you can buy from AutoZone, Amazon, or Napa, you know what I'm saying? Do that. Do that. Do for you. But I just couldn't feel right within myself to have 5+K wheels on my car, and I got factory suspension with a bullshit lift. But I'm just showing y'all how 28s look. Good God. Good God almighty.
Hi, you are currently being recorded.
Good God.